Viewers, welcome to C2C News. Welcome to Straightforward, a Facebook live show on a Sunday evening at 5 p.m. And today we have with us Chandrakant Kotian. Welcome to the show, Chandra.
Hi, Robin. Thank you for having me here.
Pleasure. Okay, before we viewers go ahead with the straightforward question and straightforward answers, let me give you a brief background about our esteemed guest Chandra. Chandra is a practicing chartered accountant, nutritionist, marathon runner, fitness enthusiast, foodie, you can see, amateur current event writer, done restaurant reviews for Bombay Times, run 9 full marathon and 7 half marathon, and above all, he has got one more feather in the cap. He has volunteered for COVID-19 trial vaccine from Mumbai. There are 1600 volunteers all across India. 1600 volunteers है भारत में जो अभी वैक्सीन के ऊपर खुद को वॉलंटियर किया है और उसमें से 160 are from Mumbai, and proud to have Chandra as one of the volunteers with us. Welcome to the show once again.
Thanks, Robin.
Okay. We'll start with the straightforward questions. A lot of citizens want to participate in marathon. Tell us at what age one can plan and what are the preparation that needs to be done and how do you go about it? कि जब ये मैराथन आती है, बी एट बॉम्बे या फिर पुणे या फिर दिल्ली या कहीं पे भी जहाँ मैराथन होती है एज ए एनुअल इवेंट, तो काफी सारे जो स्प्रिंटर्स रहते हैं, जो पार्टिसिपेंट रहते हैं, प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू करते हैं और जो लेमैन है उनको देखता है जा रहे हैं आ रहे हैं, उसके दिमाग में भी कभी रहता है कि मैं भी पार्टिसिपेट करूं, बट कुछ समझ में नहीं आता हाउ टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर दैट.
Okay. See, basically, one can start at any age. There's no age limit to running. One can keep on running. When you're seen 70 years old, 80 years old, 90 years old, wale bhi bhagte hain, marathon. So there's no age to start with. Number one, and number two, basically, you have to be very conscious about your own health status. Number one. Number two, any old injuries can flare up. You have to be conscious about that. So the idea behind this is basically to take baby steps and to go slow and start off with walking, slow walking to brisk walking to jog and then to run. So gradually you have to push your limits and try. So having said that, it's typically very challenging for a 40-year-old plus individuals to start running right away. So you need to plan. In my case, what has happened is I was like 100 kgs 20 years ago, and I made my own diet plan. I lost 20 kgs in 8 months, and I made a drastic reduction to a normal weight. And then I started my walk and the brisk walk and started jogging. So it's a process. You can't just jump the gun and starting में भागने चालू नहीं करेगा. Then you can have like issues about cramps and other injuries and ये वो. थोड़ा plan करना पड़ेगा. And so it's a little bit a long-term process. But anybody can run the marathon with a proper practice.
Okay. See, lockdown is forced on us, and there are reasons to go through that lockdown. Now, what has happened is it has compelled people to change the way we eat, rest, maintain hygiene. This has led to less exercise in open spaces and even going out for work. So how does one keep himself herself fit?
See, lockdown, initially what happened in lockdown, April to June 2020, we had like total 100% lockdown kar diya government ne, right? So people couldn't move out. So I go to the gym, and when I run, also I alternatively go to the gym normally. So gyms are band the. So I implemented the Dara Singh workout. Dara Singh workout, if you see, Dara Singh, those days there was no kuch gym hota tha, akhada shakada hote the, and Dara Singh used to do 500 to 1000 push-ups per day, okay, and 500 to 1000 push-ups squats per day. So push-up basically addresses your upper body and squats addresses your lower body. So upper body में क्या आता है, chest आता है, shoulder आता है, bicep, tricep and back. So push-ups कर दिया, upper body is covered. Squats कर दिया, your this thing lower body is covered, the legs and other parts of it. So this is a full time workout, which he used to do 500 to 1000. I'm not telling everybody to 500 to 1000. You do your own whatever capacity you have. You do 50 to 100 to 150 to 200, and take your own breaks. Like 25 का सेट कर दिया, 20 का सेट कर दिया, 15 का सेट कर दिया, 10 का सेट करो and take 5 minutes rest. Again do 10 का sets. So gradually listen to your body and slowly push it to higher limits. So ये 2 वर्कआउट करेगा, आपका पूरा बॉडी कवर होता है. You know, घर पे रहो या जेल में रहो, you'll do this exercise, you'll be fit. So alternatively, what you do is you can do a cardio on one day and this workout on the other day. Dara Singh ka workout.
Okay, sounds good. There is always a divide between veg and non-vegetarian people. So, what food one fit, veg or non-veg?
See, it's a long discussion. This I can actually discuss this topic for like more than 1 hour on this topic only. But to cut a long story short, see, vegetarian and non-vegetarian depends upon where you're born, right? A family comprises of eating non-vegetarian. 3 साल का बच्चा को अगर आप keep on giving him non-veg from the age of 3 years, वो बंदा will be total addicted to non-veg, right? तो फिर खाना ही पड़ेगा उसको. But non-veg, having said that, has got its own advantages of having protein in non-veg. ठीक है, typically protein ज़्यादा होता है. Whereas vegetarian में protein will be only in dal and chole and rajma, all this stuff. But we need to have a balance. हम लोग balance diet सिखाया था in school में. Have a balance with fruits and vegetables should be a more portion of your balanced diet, and 20% should be or 20-25% should be a non-veg. So if you have the balanced diet, non-veg is okay. Having said that, if you eat vegetarian also, vegetarians basically should focus on the protein. Normally क्या होता है, vegetarians लोग tend to overlook proteins. सब्जी रोटी खा लिया, आलू सब्जी खा लिया, पूरी भाजी खा लिया, छोड़ दिया. तो पूरी भाजी खाएगा तो आपको प्रोटीन नहीं आएगा. आलू is again carbs, पूरी is carbs. So you need to understand that you should have green vegetables in your thali and dal also in your thali at any different point of time. So dal could be moong dal, could be tur dal, could be masoor dal, could be any dal, and then you have chole and rajma. So you need to plan your diet. So both have got their advantage and disadvantages. So I think it's the way you're born in your family and you can customize your diet.
Now, one very basic problem which everybody is going through. There was a period of lockdown. 7-8 months people were like either without job or without business, or even if they had job, so some salaries have been reduced. The reason why I'm giving this background is, now what has happened is the cost of vegetable, fruit, they have gone up. One has to keep fit. आज वो मतलब जो 1 किलो ले रहा था वो आउट ऑफ कंपल्शन शायद ले नहीं रहा है, या ले भी रहा है तो 1/2 किलो या आधा किलो ले रहा है. So उसमें क्या करे क्या बंदा?
See, there is no way out. So Robin, अभी fruits and vegetables जो भी cost है, we have to buy the vegetables, fruits, vegetables, grains, and your proteins and lentils, dals. So this तो हमको लेना ही पड़ेगा. There's no doubt about it. There's no replacement to fruits and vegetables, right? Having said that, there is one very powerful quote which is called "Food is medicine." If you eat the right kind of food, you won't need medicine. So if you should not think about cost बढ़ गया, ये नहीं खाने का, वो नहीं खाने का. खाने का टाइम खाने का. Okay, अच्छा खाना you have to take, whatever reasonable is that should eat. So food is medicine. If you eat the right kind of food, you don't need medicine. If you eat the wrong food only, you need medicine. Okay. So typically क्या होता है? What to eat? If you ask me, there is a concept of the universe is made of more than 70% water, right? And balance is land. Our body is made of more than 70% water. Okay. So therefore, whatever food we eat typically should be more than 70% water content. So ये concept what is the item which has more than 70% water content? Fruits and vegetables. इसका जूस निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग ना. Fruits का जूस निकाल सकते हैं, vegetable का जूस निकाल सकते हैं. Can we remove juice out of chicken tandoori? Can we remove juice out of pizza? No. So these kind of pizza and chicken tandoori should be a moderation ka bit. The majority bit should be fruits and vegetables which are juiceable, which has got more than 70% water. Very simple है. आप दाल, rice, सब्जी खाओ and fruits लगाओ. That's it. Person doesn't need more than that. But we need to organize that, and then you do have a cheat days, provided you are a normal health and normal weight वाला आदमी. वो थोड़ा weekend में थोड़ा fried भी खा लिया, तो चलता है, then workout में हो जाता है. But you can't have that moderation का जो है, like, and you make it a primary thing 80% and switch roles of 80 and 20, then so we need to have a balanced thing. Because cheat days is required. Yeah, banda bore ho jata hai, ab pareshan, banda is working hard, they come back home, they need some relaxation, thoda, you have to give in to your desires also sometimes. Fair enough, but that should be cheat days only. Cheat days can't be every day.
Right. So, what kind of food would you recommend to somebody who's trying to lose weight?
As I told you, the first condition is 70% more than 70% water content. इसमें focus करो. When you see a plate of food when it comes in, no, you should have 2 minutes you spend on that. If this is bit of food is going to ease my system or pain my system, right? So second thing is I will ask them to avoid certain food. When I say there is I call it like a 5 white poison. When I say poison, it's not like poisonous food. Basically, you need to understand that this should be had in moderation. So what are the 5 white poison? I would focus on that. Is first is your salt, second is sugar, third is white flour, that's maida, and fourth is your rice, and fifth is your milk. So salt, basically, when you say salt is a silent killer. Salt basically is required for the body. It actually regulates your blood pressure. But when you have excess salt, what happens is it retains water, and then that put more pressure on the heart. So BP बढ़ जाता है. आप अगर डॉक्टर के पास जाएगा बोलते BP बढ़ गया, salt कम करो, correct? तो पहला डॉक्टर बोलता है कि reduce the salt content. So salt is the key, and salt is hidden. There are many items in the market like biscuit, bread, all the packed items, papad, pickle. There were a lot of salt content. So and Chinese food, the sauce होता है उसमें, Worcestershire sauce, black sauce, ये sauce, वो सब में sodium होता है. So this sodium we need to regulate. Half the job is done. Second is the sugar. Sugar is basically refined sugar. Cane sugar से jaggery बनता है. That is good. But then you refine the sugar, and that is a killer. You need to actually, I would say, people divorce sugar, and whatever sweets you want to have jaggery oriented. Okay. Number 3, I said this white flour. White flour is again the refined sugar. कैसा होता है for sugar? It is refined flour. Like wheat का जो बचा हुआ end वाला product है ना, which is for no nutrition. That is white flour, maida. If you go to a bakery, all the items are made from maida. So typically pav ho, naan katai ho, biscuits ho, toast ho, all these are rusk ho. These are all maida oriented. So these things has to be avoided or curtailed. Okay. And number 4 is milk. So milk and its products. People will say, milk mein calcium hai, fair enough. But the milk per se, if you don't have milk, you see vegans don't have milk, right, and products. So where do they get the calcium from? They got from dark leafy vegetables, palak, methi, a lot of calcium. You don't require milk. If you go for the concept of milk, it's very funny. It's not funny, it's basic. Milk is for the calves. Milk is supposed to be बच्चा काउ का बच्चा होता है, उसका दूध का हम लोग छीन के पीते हैं, right? हमारा जो दूध होता है ना, हमारा जो milk requirement होता है for a kid 2 years old, mother का जो milk production it stops in 2 years. Why? Because the kid doesn't require milk. And we take the milk from the calf ka quota, and we drink milk and we make lassi and tussi and cheese and butter we khate. So if you eat the milk which is required for the calf, you will become like a cow. The milk is for the cow. It's not for us typically. So therefore you go slow on that milk products also, because butter, cheese, lassi, it's like very weight putting on. And the last is rice. Rice again is good. If you eat in thali in a restaurant, idli जैसा shape में rice आता है. That's the quantity you should have, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, डोंगर बनाते हैं, ऐसा mountain of rice, and you eat more of rice, right? So that quantity again, goes. So we should have in moderation. So all these 5 things: rice, salt, sugar, maida, rice, and milk. The weight loss people should focus on this and try to avoid or restrict it to the minimum. And then what I say is like you should have 8 to 10 glasses of water. Again, water is very important, and we should eat every 4 hours. Typically, for a normal man, I would say breakfast is the most important meal. Breakfast, lunch, and the snack in the evening also you have to 5 o'clock in the evening you have to plan, so that you're not like binge eating in the evening. आप दोपहर को 12 बजे खा रहे हैं खाना, तो रात को 10 बजे खा रहे हैं, 10 घंटा का gap. So every 4 hours if you plan your meal, there are 24 hours in a day. 4 घंटा में खा लिया, 16 घंटा हो गया, 8 घंटा सो जाओ, अच्छा, you're sorted. That's what I would advise the weight loss oriented people. Again, it's we can customize the diet for different people, वो अलग है. But मोटा fundamental principles are these.
Okay. Now we'll get on to some serious and more knowledgeable questions. how do you address the need of a client with type 1 diabetes?
See, type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes, if you want to differentiate, type 1 is basically a situation where the insulin, the body has stopped producing insulin. Okay, and type 2 is a situation where the body has stopped, is producing insulin, but not adequate. So it's like having no key in the first situation and having a key, but it's broken key. So first situation where there is no insulin, so you actually inject insulin from external sources. And type 2 mein you take medicines and so pancreas is not working as much, it's not generating insulin. But type 1 is a serious issue where reversal nahi hota hai. The banda has the pancreas is dead. It doesn't generate insulin. So insulin is required for the digestion of the food. So liver का एक bile बोल के liquid आता है. The liver generates bile, pancreas generates insulin. These two put together, they digest the food. This is the process. Okay, now pancreas has stopped producing insulin. So बाहर से injection होता है. So, but the basics I would say for diabetics also will remain the same as the weight loss race. So you stick to only fruits and vegetables and good fruits, and again in case of diabetes, what I would suggest is they should eat small meals and have 6 meals a day instead of 4. So they should not put load on their pancreas. They have small meals, 4, 5, 6 times a day. Number one. Number two, there are some fruits to be avoided for diabetics. Basically, fruits for normal people, all the fruits are good, including mangoes. But coming to diabetes, they have to avoid fruits like mangoes and pineapples and dry fruits. These are like heavy. They have fructose, good sugar, but they not good for them. The excess fructose. So they need to avoid this fruit. They should eat fruits like green apple and pear and guava or papaya. 4-5 fruits खा लिया, they'll be okay. But they should eat fruits again. Even diabetes should eat fruits every day. I remember to inculcate the habit of my daughter when she was like 5-6 years old. I had actually print out on the wall of the living room. Did you have fruits today? Oh, did you have fruits today? Oh, bhakti kitchen mein khane ko, So these type of things you have to inculcate every day. No matter you're old or you're young or you're fit or unfit, fruits should go into your body. Green vegetables should go into your body. These basics, you should understand.
Okay, what nutrition recommendation would you make for vegetarians?
For vegetarians, as I told they typically they tend to overlook the protein part. जो नॉनवेज खाते हैं उनको चिकन मिल गया, अंडा मिल गया, फिश मिल गया, उनका प्रोटीन आ गया. प्रोटीन कंटेंट नॉर्मली एक्सेस होता है उनको. Okay. Whereas for vegetarians, normally I've seen they overlook. बोलते हैं, अरे, you have to plan your thali so well. Your green vegetable like a dark leafy vegetable should be there, and your dal has to be there. So ये balance होना चाहिए. So typically क्या होता है, आपका रोटी आएगा, and your सब्जी आएगा, and दाल आएगा. So dal protein could be in dal, would be chole, as I said, rajma, chole, and other dals, all the dals. So to plan those things and not overlook the proteins. Otherwise, that's not an issue at all. If you have the fruits, vegetables, and dal, that's sorted. And your nice salads or kakadi kha liya, gajar kha liya. And again, I want to emphasize on one thing. We need to also, there are some constant items in which I told papaya is a constant, and palak, methi, all are constant. But there are some vegetables and fruit which come in seasons. For example, अभी winter चल रहा है. Winter आएगा, तो आपको green peas आएगा, sweet potatoes आएगा, carrots आता है. So you have to focus on that. Constant तो एक होता है, and that is a seasonal one. फिर strawberry आता है, उसके बाद then you have mangoes in April, May. So all these are seasonal ones. So you have to have seasonal also and constant ones. So seasonal लीची लेके आओ, बच्चे लोगों को खिलाओ. Seasonal भी खाओ, constant भी खाओ, because papayas are available, bananas are available throughout the year. But some vegetables, some fruits are available only some part of the year. You have to get that also. Market में जाकर समझ जाएंगे, आज ये चल रहा है, लीची आ गया, चल ले लो. Strawberry से ले लो. So you get everything, assorted. You have to plan what goes into your kitchen. I basically spend a lot of time on Sunday to get my stuff into the kitchen. So I know what goes into the kitchen will go into the tummy of the family, right? So once that you have to take part of the fridge, you may अपना सही item लाया कि नहीं, वो रख दो. 50% battle is won.
Great. See, because of lockdown, all across India, all the children going to online classes, but soon regular classes would start, maybe December, January. So keeping in mind the nutritional requirement for a lunch box, what are the kind of food you would recommend for the mothers so that accordingly they plan the lunch boxes?
Again, the basics won't change. The basics for as I told, we should inculcate the habit of good eating in a kid. The kid should understand what is good, what is bad. Fair enough. But what happens? So the advantage for the kid is they can have more cheat days than us, because their organs are fresh, so they can afford to have more cheat days when they are 20, 25, 30. They got high energy, metabolism, and fresh organs. So they have got fresh organs. They can have more cheat days. Fair enough. So, but they should understand this particular type of food is good, is not bad. The basic will remain the same. The fruits and vegetables should go. Okay, you can have lunch boxes. You can make it interesting. Some people can make, for example, idli banane ke badle palak idli bana liya, ya palak dosa bana liya. So palak also goes in idli. But again, you have to convince the kid. Because dosa ka badle thoda palak mil jayega. Palak idli karo. So those kind of stuff you can, instead of then you can have proper roti ka you can make a, what do you call, I forgot that word. That rolls aata hai. So cheese roll ke badle masala roll ke badle like a Frankie. So make a proper healthy Frankie, for example. Make a proper healthy cheese dalo chalega, and put some nice vegetable and roll karke de do butter marke. Okay. So those kind of, we have to do some camouflage in the lunch boxes and put some nice nutrient also. Every day if you eat vada pav and go outside. But basic thing is we have to make them understand what is good eating, what is bad eating at this right age.
Okay, tell us what is foodie about you.
Oh, I love food. And the food, actually, there's a saying, food is existence. So the person who loves food, you can see that you are what you eat, right? We are all what we eat. So food is my passion of food. I love to cook, and I'm actually a Sunday cook. But lockdown में क्या होगा, रोज पकाता है, रोज Sunday हो गया घर पे. तो घर पे है तो Sunday cook करता था, अभी रोज पका रहा है. But anyway, but I'm an internet dependent cook. I'm not a great chef, but I look, आजकल काफी सारे YouTube आते हैं, ये देखते हैं. So you get one Google कर गया, मिल गया. But I cook. But what happens is then we make it interesting. Suppose Eid आ गया, या Bengali festival आ गया, Kerala festival आ गया. So I make Kerala food at home or a Bengali food at home. अभी Eid आया तो बोले चल बिरयानी बना दे. So kitchen में there's a national integration happening in terms of food. So we make it interesting. And my daughter also, they love food. She loves food. So we also, नया restaurant आ गया, we'll check out what it is going on. So it's a good thing. And also for Bombay Times, I had covered restaurants like maybe 10 years ago, 10, 12 years ago. Bombay Times was covering restaurants, good food guide book banaya tha, Restaurant Desing. So I had actually helped in that reviewing the restaurants, and I'm going to write a report. What is the USP of the restaurant? इसमें ये अच्छा है, ये बहुत अच्छा है. I can write on that easily. And even my friends call me कि कौन सा joint अच्छा है, ये मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ, कहाँ पे जाऊँ, So and those days, so there was a vada pav contest, and I was one of the 5 judges. Where we have 5 judges, we went on eating vada pav the whole day. Okay, and whole day 20 joint को हम लोग ने shortlist किया था. 20 joint या पूरा all over Bombay 4 गाड़ी लेके और एक वड़ा पाव लेके 5 जन बाइट खा रहे हैं और रेटिंग कर रहे हैं. फिर वो first 3 could we said winners आ गया, first, second, third winners. So it was a good fun. So food I love.
Okay, you are writing columns in a lot of print media for over a decade. Please tell us something about your writing skills.
Writing again started off first with food. Okay, so there was one column in Midday earlier where readers recommend column. So I used to recommend food. Ye joint acha hai, wo joint acha hai. I have to cover, like I've covered joints till Virar. Like Virar make there's food called chicken bhujing. If you have heard, it's a chicken item only available in Virar. So we used to actually go to Virar to eat the stuff. So it started off with that food writing, and then I graduated to current events. So I write on sports, politics, existing, जो भी current का जो event होगा. I wrote on everything, including LGBT, whatever. But I try to stick to the right. What is right, I write. When I get inspired, when I get worked up, then I used to write my own articles. Most of the articles get printed. Sometimes they don't get printed because I write to the letters to editor of Midday and Afternoon. Afternoon paper now closed down a few years ago. So, and Midday also has got some space restrictions. If they print it. If there's nothing controversial, they won't print. Otherwise, they normally print. So I've been writing a lot of articles on all the events. So it's a good fun to write.
Okay, we've come to the second of the show. On customary ritual, the last question. We always ask our guests. Message for
Message to be fit. So basically, I would say that one has to be fit for life. No, it's not. Some people say अरे लाइफ इज शॉर्ट यार, छोड़ना, एंजॉय करते हैं, बट वॉट एवर लाइफ यू बीन, you're going to be alive. Maybe death is not in our control, but whatever life you're going to be alive, it will be fit for that particular life. So so put some effort on making that period where you're fit for life instead of being dependent on this. Number one. And number two, what you can do is inculcate an habit of exercise. Like 5 days a week, I've always say to people, and like 1 hour a day, 1 hour a day, 5 days a week, and 2 days you can chill whenever you are feeling lethargic and feel so, yeah, so you can chill. And thirdly, you should also have some connect with the outdoor activities. Like you could be running, could be walking, could be trekking, could be cycling, could be swimming, and also could be sports like badminton, hoga, tennis, hai. So if you, whatever your age is, we should have a link with the sports. So that keeps your internal thing also younger, and everything is good for you. And also try to keep the cheat days to the minimum. We have a lot of cheat days and drink and whatever. So keep it to the bare minimum and moderation. That will help. And finally, as I said, food is medicine earlier. You should laugh a lot. So laughter is the best medicine also. Food is medicine, and laughter is the best medicine. So you keep laughing, laugh a lot. So end of the day, you'll be fit and you should be happy and you should be safe. That's the final.
Right. So viewers, this brings us to the end of the show. Straightforward Facebook Live, and I'd like to give my sincere thanks to Chandra for sparing time for us, because he has some schedule morning and evening, and he had to realign his schedule for the show. So thanks a lot on behalf of the viewers, and viewers, a big thanks to you also for watching. We'll be back soon with a new professional and a public figure. Till then, goodbye, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you, Robin. Thank you. Namaskar.
Pleasure.
If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell while you subscribe to get timely updates.